Hi all, welcome to Fly Fishing with Kraza again. In this video it's the second part of the trip to some small streams in the Victorian mountain area. This video I caught a really nice brown trout, so yeah, keep an eye out for that one. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Cheers. It's a nice little rainbow. Beautiful. There we go. Up he goes. It was on a little flashback nymph. Missed him. I'm waiting for the dry. Oh, it's just an awkward spot to fish, but I managed to hook onto something. Oh, he's pulling hard. Oh, he's come off. Put me under those branches. A decent fish here by the looks of it. Oh, come on. So much to go on them, these rainbows. Got him. Happy days. Whoa. There we go. Oh, look how many spots. Very beautiful fish. Wow. Alright, I'll let him go. There we go. Here, buddy. There he goes. Oh. Oh, he's come off. Oh. There we go. Whoa! Oh, and stay away. There he is. Got him. Off he goes. I mean, this is such a good run. I'd have to be fishing here. Oh, here we go. Look at that.
Another nice rainbow. They've all been rainbows today. Doesn't matter. Still good. Up he goes. Come on, buddy. Oh, there he goes. Whoa. First cast. Now oh, got him. That was quick. Gee, that's probably about the biggest one I've caught today. That is a cracker. Look at that. That's a cracker. Gee, I've lost count of how many fish I've caught. But this is really good water here. Alright, see you, buddy. That was the first cast in this new spot, so I'm really looking forward to this spot here. It's perfect Euro nymphing water. Can't wait to get into that deeper stuff there. That's where they'll be. Oh, don't do that. I'm surprised there's nothing in there. Yes. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh, that is a huge fish. Oh, that is huge. Oh, he's taken me under that log. Oh, that is a monster. Oh, oh, look at that. That's got to be almost 50 centimeters. It's a monster. No. No. Oh. No, 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 not near that log. Oh. Come this way. Oh, come on. Oh, oh, I missed. Oh, come here. Oh, no, no, no. Don't go there. Oh. Oh. Oh yes. Oh, holy moly. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh. Wow. That's a brown, the first brown. Oh. That is a huge fish. Oh wow. Whew. Oh. Oh, I didn't expect to catch something like this today. Oh. That's it, hook's out. Oh. That is a monster. That is a monster brown. Oh, let's see. Yeah, that's 50 centimetre. Easy 50 centimetre brown. Oh. Let's see how we go. I knew there'd be something in here. It's a good spot. I never ever thought that I'd be catching. That is a huge trout for any river. Oh, there we go. On again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Got a lot of go on him. What's that? Another rainbow. Oh. Oh. Down here. No, he's not finished. Got him. Oh. There we go. Another nice rainbow. Let's go. Off he goes. Alright. It's a hot spot, this one. Nothing. Yep. Oh, the old twig fish. Probably something under this willow. Oh, there was a drop, had a nibble. This is a great stretch of water. Yep. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, he's off. Gee, I'm still like getting over this brown I caught. Never thought I'd be catching a fish like that in a small stream like this. First time I've come here to this stream. No one's really given me any tips on where to go, so just saw a road turn off and I said, well, this is it. Yep. Oh, just fantastic water. Brown, second brown for the day. Wow. There it is, brown trout. Second one, that monster, and now another one. So yeah, they're in here. There he goes. Oh, gee, I'm having a cracker day. Actually one of my best fishing days ever. There are things I've been doing wrong. I've been striking up. You're actually supposed to strike with the flow of the current, and I know I've lost a few because of that. So it's just got to keep that in the back of your mind when you strike, to strike the way the water's flowing. That way, you know, you're going to hook into the mouth. Whereas if you strike up, you're pulling it out of the mouth, and if you strike the other way, well, you're definitely pulling it out of its mouth. Oh, got one. Ooh. Getting out of this fast water. Rainbow. There you go. Got him. Oh. Nice. There we go, another rainbow. They're all wild in this little river. Beautiful fish. See ya, buddy. Another one. Oh. What a cracking day. Bigger rainbow than I've had most of the day. Got a bit of going in. Come on. Oh, that's a solid fish. That is a solid fish. Got him. That's about the biggest rainbow for sure today. Oh. Got it out. I don't want to hang around, but there you go. There he goes, he's off.
I hope you really enjoyed that video. It was a really great day out there on those small streams. So if you enjoyed it, please subscribe. And if you've got any comments, I'm happy to hear what you've got to say. Yeah, just give it a like if you want. So yeah, once again, thanks for watching and God bless. Bye.